Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. I know I have come back after some time. I have not been able to upload a lot of videos, considering that January and February months were pretty tough for me as well, in terms of closing it profitable. So I barely, not barely, I made only very few points. I'll just show you how much I made, and you guys can judge me based on that. Not too much. Very bad winning percentage. Here it was good. Here it is somewhere around 42. And I made somewhere around 19 to 20 points come in December, January. So February you have to start. So yeah, this is something that is going on. And I just wanted to cover something really important is what I felt recently was something I was not able to clearly identify. And I felt like once I understood that, oh, okay, this is something that is affecting my trading and how I've been approaching the market, I have written down 3 points, sorry, 4 points, and the basically the these 4 points revolve around the ideology of why trading is a losing game. People need to understand first why trading is a losing game, then trying to make money in the market. You will lose this game. This business or this the market is meant to make you lose. That's for sure, because human mind cannot process the way the market moves, the way emotions are being played up, right and center. The human mind cannot process it at the very beginning, but once you are in this game for more than 5 years, 5 plus years, then you'll understand that how the market basically tries to change your energy or channel or play with your emotions, or how it tries to keep changing your emotions, and how that emotions basically also keeps affecting your perspective or the way you look at the market. That is the main key point over here. How these emotions keep changing the perspective, the way you look at the market. If you understand this, you will clearly you can clearly see the you can say a trick, or you can clearly see you can clearly undress the market, क्योंकि यहीं पे सब कुछ होता है, यहीं पे सबका सबका कंसिस्टेंसी हट जाता है, सबका डिसिप्लिन हट जाता है. No matter what kind of a belief you have, you're withholding it, everything will be broken and shattered here, because everything that you would want to achieve in the market is clearly running through emotional energy, and clearly the profit that you want to make or the loss that you take sub is channeled with your emotions, and that emotions somewhere also plays a very important role in terms of perspective, how you look at the market, or a higher low, or a low high, or a double top, or a double bottom, जैसा भी तुम लोग आइडेंटिफाई करते हो एक सेटअप को, those are all channeled with your emotions. How confident you feel when you look at a double top, how less or how disappointed you feel with a loss, or how or you can say how happy you feel with your profit as well. Everything is channeled with your emotions, and that is where the market makes sure that you're always dependent on your emotions. But you'll have to realize it sooner or later that that is how the game has been designed. You have to understand. Okay, I think I'm talking way too much. I'll tell you the three to 4 points. Sorry, 4 points which I've written down. The very first point is, I'll just write it down over here. The very first point is the overall market view. Right. I'll write down all the points so it'll be easy. The second would be market validation. Third would be coming and sitting every day in front of the market. And the fourth one would be, this is for me, this is personally what I have identified. This could be different for anyone else as well. So stop being ADI, ADI addicted to the outcome. Okay, let me every day in front of the screen. Okay, so these are the 4 points. Uh, These are the 4 points. Now I'll explain it very quick. I don't want to make this video pretty big. Okay, the overall market view. Why your overall market view will be affected is definitely because, let's say you have an approach in the market saying that this is price pushing bullish, this is price moving sideways, and now price is pushing bearish. So when you come, how and these are basically interlinked. I'll tell you how all these are interlinked. When you come and sit in front of the market every single day, when you come and sit in the front of the market every single day, you will not look at the market same every single day when you start winning and losing the trade. You will not. When you lose, you'll probably क्या बोलते हैं? 1 second. Okay, where is this? Should probably pause this. 1 second. I need to. Okay, so I'll just explain all these 4 points. The first one is overall market view. So this is basically we're talking about your process, your system, the way you enter the trade, how you identify an opportunity, and all this will come under this section, overall market view. The second is market validation. Market validation का मतलब क्या होता है? You have a system which basically gives an entry signal. So the market validates your entry signal. मतलब ऐसा double top हुआ, double bottom हुआ, then that is a validation market is giving for you to enter. That is market validation. Third is you come and sit every day in front of the screen, in front of the market to do what? To apply your process. You wait for market validation. कि कोई validate करेगा तो trade लेंगे. And you keep doing this every day, right? Now, I'll come to the fourth point in the end. So when the most crucial point, what I understood here was कि when you come sit in the market, when you come sit in the market and you keep looking for market validation, you know already your process which you have to apply in the market. आपको पता है कि double bottom बनेगा तो मेरे को sell करना है. But you're basically waiting for that double top to happen for you to sell, right? So you're waiting for market to validate this by making a double bottom to happen. Now, when you do that and you keep doing it each and every single day, don't you think your psychological way of thinking will change? When you're always looking at the market in a very narrow perspective, don't you think don't you think the overall market view or the process which you keep applying in the market will change? Think very मतलब clearly सोचना है इसके बारे में. जब आप हर दिन मार्केट में आओगे और जब एंड एंड यू आर कमिंग देयर ओनली टू ट्रेड, यू आर कमिंग देयर सेइंग दैट मेरे को डबल बॉटम जो मेरा प्रोसेस बोलता है कि डबल टॉप अगर बन गया तो मेरे को सेल करना है बस. एंड यू आर कमिंग एवरी सिंगल डे इन द मार्केट टू सी इफ दिस कैन हैपन at some point. Don't you think that will affect your process? And why? It's not, see, it's completely psychological. You're not coming every day to trade. I'm not saying that you're coming every day to trade. You're coming there every day to see if you can apply your process or not, right? When you keep doing that again and again, बार बार जब ये 1-2 months तक अब you're doing the job आप करोगे, that will definitely affect the way you apply your process. Let's say that a double top के लिए the level of patience you are waiting for it to happen is somewhere around let's say around 1-2 weeks, right? ना बहुत दिन हुए छोड़ 1-2 दिन में you're waiting for a double top or double bottom to happen. When you keep doing this, when you keep waiting for 1-2 days for a pattern like this to form, or for a pattern like this to form, and you keep waiting like this each month, every month, 1 month, first month, second month, third month, don't you think जब मार्केट आपको डबल टॉप बनाएगा भी नहीं, but you will already figure out that this can be a double top and you will sell it here only, where you should have actually sold. That is a break. That is, let's say you're selling it at the break of the first bottom. Don't you think you will take an opportunity to sell it right over here? You will, because you have seen it happening enough number of times. You have seen it happen enough number of times for you to take the decision and jump on that decision ki ha, I can sell this here only anyway, because I know this is going to happen. But this will never happen. This will clearly break above and continue pushing bullish. Once yes breaks above and आपका double top काम नहीं करता है, that is where your hope, your dreams, your discipline, your beliefs, everything will be shattered. And that is exactly what the market will do. It will try to shatter, it will try to break you in every single way, so that you cannot apply your process consistently. Next day आप आओगे, then you will be in a very fresh mind ki okay, either see, when you come back and next day, either you have to have a mindset ki okay, now today I will not come back and trade a double top like this, but I will trade it after it breaks below, and then that is when I will sell it. So that will be a reset of your mindset. If you're not coming with that mindset and you're coming with another mindset saying that okay, my double top is somehow not working, so what I'll do is I'll now wait for price to break below, then make another low and break that low, and then I will sell. Well, I will come with another process. That is what the market will do. It will make you change your process. It will make you question your own beliefs, your own patience as well. So why all of this? This is just one example. I'm not saying this is exactly what everyone will face, but I'm saying this is definitely, yeah, hey, bhai. This is definitely something you need to identify. कि market कि you consistently looking for validation very closely. If you can understand this, you consistently looking for validation कि double top बनेगा बनेगा, तुम्हारे प्रोसेस में कोई गलती नहीं है. That is what, because you will consistently look for it because you want to make money. No, obviously you're not stupid to consistently come look for a double top or a double bottom because you know it works. That is why you'll come every day in the market to look for it. So my point, what I'm trying to make is, when you come and look for validation every single day, and you come keep on doing that again and again, this will crush your overall process and your overall system, the overall way you look at the market. So what can be the solution for it? That is something you need to identify. So my solution for this was, my solution for not having a narrow mindset in the market, but having a broad perspective of how I look at the charts and having it consistently. मतलब every day मैं वही broad perspective से आऊँ. लॉस हो गया तो कोई दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से नहीं आऊँ, या मेरे इमोशंस जो मेरे को मार्केट वैलिडेशन के लिए मैं बार बार देखता हूँ, विल द मार्केट गिव माई प्रोसेस, मतलब मेरे प्रोसेस से मेरे को एंट्री मिलेगा कि नहीं, जो मैं हर दिन आके मैं बैठता हूँ. एंड दैट इज अफेक्टिंग मी मेंटली वेरी बैडली, बिकॉज यू विल स्टार्ट seeing entries everywhere, because you are coming every day in the market to check for validation but not to apply your process. That will happen if you have to focus on yourself and your behavior. When that happens, it will happen to everyone for sure. My solution for this, I don't know if this is 100% solution for everyone, is to always come back to zero. There are two levels in the market, two levels mentally when you're in the market. One is the level zero, where you are completely a new person, where you are completely a blank slate in the morning, and this is level 1. So this is at the end of the market, जो 315 में आप लोगों ने लॉस किया होगा, प्रॉफिट किया होगा, जो भी किया होगा. This is how you are. I am 1. But when you're coming the next day, you will always have to come back to level 0. Matlab, you have not won anything, you have not lost anything. You have again come there with the same perspective, of what your process tells. You're not looking for market validation, and you are not coming there to sit in front of the screen every 1 hour or every 15 minutes. You're only coming there to apply your process because this is a new day for me, and I'm not coming to the market with all the shit that happened yesterday. That is very important. Having a layer, above a layer is very important. This is where your eyes have to be. You cannot be stuck narrowly in the market, mera process, but you'll have to look from an eagle's eye of how your process is playing out in the market. समझ रहे हो ना? This is how your process is playing out in the market. You have to keep looking at from an eagle's eye to see how your process is playing out in the market, how you're behaving in the market, how your stop losses are working out or not. ये सब एक eagle's eye से देखना पड़ेगा. You cannot be focused way too much in the process, but there has to be a certain gap. There has to be a certain gap for you to not lose control of yourself, and not basically not let your emotions drive your perspective. Your emotions will change your perspective. No matter how well you think you know your process, you will try to bring out new methodologies or new loopholes in the process. You'll talk shit to yourself, and you'll make yourself believe that this is also a part of my process. ये double bottom भी मेरा एक type of double bottom ही है, even though the double bottom has never basically showed any continuation towards the upside. But yeah, जो भी है, you will tell shit to yourself because this is not you. This is basically the emotions that you carry, and that emotions that you're carrying is only coming from market validation. Market validation matlab is the market proving you right. Every trader will fuck this up. You will always want to be you'll always be addicted to know that if you are right or not in the market. That is what every trader is addicted to. You will be addicted to being right. You will be addicted to the outcome. That is what the fourth point is. Outcome. क्या हुआ मेरे ट्रेड के साथ, क्या हुआ, डिड इट विन, डिड इट नॉट विन. You will be addicted to it. That is what will keep making you come and sit in the market. That is what will keep making you wait for your setup to play out, or you will wait for a system to play out in the market. Why? Because you're addicted of being right, and you will be addicted with the outcome after you have taken the trade. You have to let loose of those addictions, because end of the day you're only coming there to apply the process. It is very tough. I'm not saying it is easy. It is very fucking tough for you to create that gap. I'm saying about this gap, for you to create you being for you to create that gap between these two, being addicted about being right. I'll write this here. Being ADDI outcome. Being addicted to the outcome. You have to bring that gap, and you have to look both of these from an eagle's eye. As I told you, यहाँ पे, let's say this is an eagle's eye. You have to look at this from a distance, not keeping yourself way too involved in this. But you cannot be addicted. Now what about being right? let's say let's say this is let's say this is let's say this is a continuation of uptrend that I'm basically going to trade, right? I cannot be addicted to saying that हाँ ये अभी हायर लो बनाएगा, ये अभी हायर लो बनाएगा कि नहीं, बनाएगा कि नहीं, बनाएगा कि नहीं. मेरे को पता है कि हायर लो बनाएगा, बट आई एम स्टिल, वो मेरे को पता है मेरे प्रोसेस के हिसाब से दिस नीड्स टू मेक अ हायर लो, तो दैट इज व्हाट आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर. और दिस नीड्स टू मेक अ डबल बॉटम मेरे प्रोसेस के हिसाब से, तो दैट इज व्हाट आई नीड टू वेट फॉर. बट आई विल कीप स्ट्रेसिंग माई सेल्फ, thinking about if I'm right, if I'm right, if I'm right or not. That is what the whole pressure comes from, where you're always be thinking about if I'm right, if this will form a double bottom or not. End of the day, this thing will definitely form a double bottom. I'm sure, because that's what my process tells. It will definitely form a double bottom. But why am I being so involved in knowing if I'm right or not? That is what the market validation does. Validation, आपको जब तक प्रूव नहीं करेगा कि यू आर राइट, यू विल बी सिटिंग देयर स्ट्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ नॉट टू नो इफ यू आर राइट और नॉट. दैट इज प्रीटी फक्ड अप. Once you will get that validation, हाँ, then you'll feel like okay, I'm happy I got that validation. यहाँ पे एक डबल बॉटम बन गया है मार्केट में, है कि नहीं? This is a double bottom that the market has formed. Now let's say I take a trade here, right? Now let's say I take a trade here, and my entry, मेरा एक छोटा है, I know a double bottom, so I know what would be the target. Let's say I'm going for a 1:1. Now अभी क्या होगा? Now I'll be addicted to what? The outcome. Outcome of what? Will it work or not? Will it work or not? Will it work or not? Will it work or not is obviously not in my hands. It's obviously numbers game. End of the day, market अगर जाएगा तो जाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं. But again, I will be addicted with the outcome. Again, this out now when I'm addicted, you saw me. I was addicted to the entry, will it form or not, and now I'm addicted to the outcome, if it will win or not. Now all this carries a lot of emotion. वो समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आपको? All this will carry a lot of emotion, which will alter the way you think when you come the very next day. When you come the very next day, again you will be stressed about, will the market form or not, will the market form or not, will this outcome come or not. All this will lead to what? You breaking the process which you have built for yourself, you breaking the system which you have built for yourself. You will question it, you will add theories to it, and again you'll keep repeating this process. Do not let it break. Do not fall in the trap of being addicted for something to happen in the market. If you can master it, if you can master just sitting there to see if the market validates, मार्च शुदा है. अपने को पता नहीं, अपने को जाट फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बनाएगा तो बनाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं. यू आर जस्ट देयर, यू आर सिटिंग देयर. If it breaks, if it makes itself available, I am going to take it, and after I take it, if it does not work out, I am going to come back and apply the process again consistently. वो mindset में अगर आप लोग अपने आप को ला सकते हो, then you have reached it. Then there is nothing else that can stop you, because once you have the confidence कि your process is basically the best in the market, because you have applied it left, right, and center, and you know it works. This is nothing. This is the next biggest challenge. Being addicted to, if for me, as per me, my experience. So yeah, it's a pretty long video. Please watch this video. Anyone who is skipping it, please not skip. थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा. If it can help you, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Take care. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Awesome video.